IBM Cloud, etc. We have already discussed. Okay, now let us see how to create the free trial account, Azure free trial account, so we can do the labs. Okay, so guys, Azure offers 1 month free trial to explore its services. So you can see it is having this option, try Azure for free. So it is providing you 1 month free trial. So what is the requirement to create the Azure account? You should have the Microsoft account like Hotmail or Outlook or Live account. Okay, if you have any one of the, if you have account in Hotmail, it is enough. Okay, if you are having the Outlook account or Live account, it will also work. So you should have the Microsoft account. Then you should have the credit card or debit card. If you are in India, okay, you should have the, you can have the PAN card also. PAN card is optional and it is only for the Indian users. So what you will get with the free trial account? So guys, with free trial account, you will receive approximately 200 USD. Okay, and this 200 USD you will be using for the Azure only. This 200 USD you cannot use somewhere else. Okay, it will be used in your Azure account only. Okay, and you can access the wide range of Azure services with trial account, including virtual machine, storage, database, and more. And the credits are, so let us say you have got 200 USD. So these credits are deducted as you use the services. If you are using the services like virtual servers, so your credit will be deducted from this USD which is provided by the Microsoft or Azure. It will not be deducted from your credit card or debit card. And you can have up to 4 virtual machines. You can run up to 4 virtual machines simultaneously at the same time. And the account will be disabled after 1 month. Okay, let us say you have spent all your 200 USD. Okay, and still if you want to use the services, they will not deduct the money. They will ask you to renew it. Or let us say you have spent only 100 USD and 1 month is over. Again, the account will be disabled. Okay, and if you want to re-enable the account, okay, if you want to start the paid services, if you want to start the paid account, use the paid account, then you need to send the email back to Microsoft. So Microsoft will send an email to activate the account if you wish to continue using the Azure. After that, you will start paying. You will start using the the paid account. Now, guys, to access the Azure portal or console, we have a separate website or separate URL. From this URL, portal.azure.com, we cannot create the account. It is only for managing the Azure resources like virtual machines, storage, etc. But if you want to create the free trial account, we have a separate URL, and that URL is azure.microsoft.com. This is the URL to create the account. Okay, so you will visit this website, and guys, you will select this option. Don't select this option, get started. Okay, this is for the paid account. If you want the 1 month trial, you will select this option, try Azure for free. All right, so guys, you will go to this website, you will get this page. Okay, then you will select this option, try Azure for free. Okay, after selecting this option, you need to select this option, start free. Don't go with pay as you go. So we'll select this option, start free. Okay, then you need to provide your Hotmail or Microsoft account here. So I have used my Hotmail account here. Then we will click next. After that, you can select this, check this option. Okay, don't show this message. It is asking you to stay sign in. If you want to stay sign in, you will click yes. If you don't want to stay sign in, you will click no. Okay, then let us say we click no. After that, we need to provide the information to create the profile, like the country name, first name, middle name, last name, then you need to provide the email address, and you need to provide your mobile number without the country code. Okay, so after providing the mobile number, they will send you the verification code. To get the verification code, okay, you can either select this text me option or call me option. If you select this text me option, they will send you the SMS on this mobile number. Okay, they will send you the verification code and you will enter the verification code here. If you select this call me option, so again you will get a call. On call, they will tell you the verification code and you need to enter the verification code here. Okay, so the commonly used method is text me. So you will select text me option on your mobile phone, you will get the SMS and you will enter the verification code here. After that, you will click verify code. After clicking verify code, you need, if it is verified, then you need to provide the organization name. And if you see, we need to provide the PAN card number also, but it is optional. Then you need to provide the address line number. Okay, it is mandatory to provide the address line 1, line 2 and line 3. Address line 2 and line 3, they are optional. After that, you will provide the city name, state, then postal code. Then you need to, okay, allow the Microsoft to contact you. So you should agree. I understand that Microsoft may contact me about my free account. And you should also allow the Microsoft to send you the tips, offers about Azure, including Azure newsletter, okay, pricing update, and Microsoft products and services also. After that, you will click next. Don't click sign up. Click next here. After clicking next, you need to provide the card detail, whether it is credit card or debit card. It will accept both. Okay, so you need to provide the card holder name, card number, when your card. So you should have the valid credit or debit card, guys. So they will verify it. They will deduct some money from your account, like around $1. So they have deducted 2 rupees from my account. Okay, to check, okay, whether your credit card is working fine or not, if it is in working condition or not. Okay, so if they are unable to deduct the money from your credit card or debit card, they will not create the account. Okay, so it should be a valid card. You will provide the card name, card number. When it is expiring, you need to provide the CVV number also. After that, again, the it will you need to provide the information here. It is related to the credit card. So address line number 1, 2, 3. Okay, it will automatically take the address from whatever you have provided. Okay, and it is about the credit card. Then guys, you will click sign up. After clicking sign up, okay, if you see, you will get this page, okay, bank page, where it will take some money, okay, deduct some money from your credit card or debit card. So authenticate the transaction, you need to provide the OTP. So then you will get the OTP on your mobile number. So you will enter the OTP, then you will click submit. After that, again, you need to allow the Microsoft to contact you, and you need to allow the Microsoft to share the information with the partners. Okay, then you will click next. After that, after clicking next, so this you will get the credit card information. This is your name on the credit card or debit card, and you will get the number also. Then you will click sign up. Okay, then it will set up your account. If everything is verified, okay, it will set up your account. You need to wait for few seconds. Okay, then you will it will take you to this page. Okay, you don't need to click anything here. Okay, you need to just wait for few seconds. After that, it will take you to this page. Okay, you are ready to start with Azure. Go to Azure portal. So you need to select this option. After selecting this option, you will get this page. Okay, so it is asking you like how likely you are you to recommend the portal azure.com to a friend. So just ignore it. Select the home page. You will get this page. Okay, you don't need to do anything here. You will select home here. Once you select home, you will get this page. Okay, in this page, you will see the different services like virtual machine, app services, etc. So guys, create the account, reach to this page and leave everything. All right, we'll continue.